First, I now want to take our viewers to Jammu and Kashmir. In the valley, there was a fierce encounter. It was an overnight encounter, and after this encounter, the General Officer commanding of that area, Major General H.S. Sahi, told journalists that 3 terrorists who were planning to target perhaps maybe a military convoy or the security forces along the national highway en route North Kashmir, those 3 terrorists were neutralized. Parents, however, of those alleged terrorists insist that they were college students on their way to the university when they were, according to the parents, caught and killed. Shujaul Haq reports.
A fierce overnight encounter on the outskirts of Srinagar in the Kashmir Valley. The security forces had cordoned off the area near the national highway after specific intelligence about movement of terrorists and their alleged plans to target security forces along the highway. The army, CRPF and Jammu and Kashmir police laid a cordon in the residential area and soon drew a fire. They asked terrorists to surrender.
आर्मी, जेकेपी और सीआरपीएफ द्वारा ज्वाइंट ऑपरेशन लॉन्च किया गया जो पूरी रात चला और आज 11:30 बजे जब ऑपरेशन खत्म हुआ तो उसमें 3 टेररिस्ट जो हैं उनको मार गिराया गया.
The terrorists reportedly opened fire at the security forces and hurled a grenade. According to the army, one suspected terrorist tried to surrender and came out of the house in the evening, but the 2 other terrorists opened fire and hurled grenades, foiling the attempt to surrender.
सभी इंटेलिजेंसीज और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस इंटेलिजेंस को बिल्डअप कर रही थी और कल जब खबर आई तो उस बिल्डिंग को कॉर्डन किया गया. कॉर्डन करने के बाद टेररिस्ट को सरेंडर करने की अपील की गई. एक टेररिस्ट बिल्डिंग से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश उसने की, लेकिन जैसे ही वो बाहर आने लगा, जो अंदर उसके बाकी साथी थे उन्होंने फायर खोल दिया और ग्रेनेड्स सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस की तरफ उन्होंने फेंके.
After sundown, the operation was halted to prevent collateral damage. And according to the army, at first light, the terrorists were once again asked to surrender. What followed was more grenades were hurled, resulting in the operation being intensified. The security forces claimed that 3 terrorists had been neutralized and insisted that the encounter indicated terrorists were planning a major attack against the security forces along the national highway leading to North Kashmir.
जब भी हमने सरेंडर के लिए अपील की, अंदर से या तो उन्होंने उसका जवाब फायरिंग से दिया या लगातार ग्रेनेड फेंके. तो इससे जाहिर होता है कि वो सरेंडर करने वाले ताक में नहीं थे और जो गोला बारूद उन्होंने पूरी रात यूज़ किया सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस अगेंस्ट, वो इस बात को दर्शाता है कि वाकई में नेशनल हाईवे के पास वो किसी बड़ी कार्रवाई को अंजाम देना चाहते थे.
The encounter led to valley leaders seeking a probe and asking the security forces to come clean. According to the Jammu and Kashmir police, till December 30, 2020, so far 203 terrorists, including 166 local terrorists, had been neutralized. 49 arrested and 9 terrorists had surrendered so far with weapons. With Shujaul Haq and Ashraf Wani in Srinagar, Bureau Report, India Today.